Today we are going to run a quick tutorial on database management. So the first thing is you'll go into our class and we'll take a look at the announcement, and within our announcements there's our assignment, and you will download the Excel spreadsheet. Upon opening the spreadsheet, you will notice that there are two tabs. One is the original file and one is the results file. You will click on edit, and what you'll do is you will take your original file, you'll copy it, we'll paste it into a new sheet, then you'll take your results file, we will take this start all the way to the end, hold down shift, highlight this area, copy it, and we will put it down at the bottom of this sheet. The next thing to do is to sort by column A. So we'll go to data and we sort, and it will be by our registered voter ID number. Click OK. Then what you'll do is you'll open up two new columns, insert, insert, and we'll just start from the top so you understand what we're doing. And we'll ask the query, does this number equal this number? We'll ask the second query, does this number equal this number? At this point, we'll highlight these. Remember, these are formulas still at this point. And we'll copy the formulas all the way down to the bottom of the sheet and paste them in. The next step is to highlight these two sheets, copy them, and then paste special as a value. And what that does is take away the formula, and now they become values. The next step is to sort by these two columns, B and C. Click OK. And now these are all the falses. What you'll do is you'll take your trues, which will be at the end, and we will cut and paste them into a new sheet down here. Copy, cut, bring this one up and paste that in. We will then go back and just take the header row here, so in case you get confused about what columns we're using, we can stay consistent. And you'll insert the copied cells. The next thing to do is sort again, and this time we're just going to do a quick sort, so we'll sort by this number. And what you'll see here is that Cynthia or Voss, their numbers right here, all equal these cells. So what I want to do is append. So what I'll make equal is R is going to equal this one, S is going to equal this one, and finally J will equal that. We'll take these and click copy. Then we scroll all the way down to the end. We'll highlight the 5 rows. We'll copy those in. But remember, right now these are all formulas. We need to turn them into cells, into values. So we'll copy and then paste special. We'll just go through more manually. And we'll click in values, click OK. So now you see that the 1 is a 1. The next thing to do is we will sort from this row, and if you just click right here, you'll see all of these folks. We'll take these guys back out, and it should be our remaining list. Click copy. We'll go back to this cell, scroll down to the bottom. We will paste these back in, as we have done right here. We're going to remove these two columns now because we've done our work, and we'll rename this one as final, and that will be, as you will see here, we now have our 1,257 records, and we started with 1,257 records, and we have now finished our appending.